Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I know it's a little late to share this recipe to all of you because holiday season has just ended, but this dish is always on every Filipino family table. In fact, this is just one of the many dishes that Filipinos can't live without. This is not just perfect for the holiday season or the Christmas. This is also so perfect for this coming Love Month. Love Month is already fast approaching. If you haven't planned any food yet to cook for your special someone, for your romantic dinner, or for your family, for a special dinner at home, I can make it more special and more expressive through the recipe I am going to share with all of you in today's video. My pink salad macaroni recipe. Actually, literally, it's not my own variation, but it's my Auntie Leonore's recipe. Hi Tita, I'm going to share your secret in making this pink salad macaroni. Pink macaroni salad. And I'm going to share. But before we start, let me give you a little trivia. Why this macaroni salad recipe is perfect for Valentine's Day. As the word itself, it's pink with specks of purple. So it's purplish pink. And pink means gratitude, appreciation, and admiration. While violet or purple means the giver has fallen in love with the recipient. Enchantment and originality. I know you are wondering, how are we going to achieve this color pink? So please watch my video until the end so you will find out what is the secret, what is the twist in making this a pink salad macaroni. Let's start! Let's start by preparing all ingredients needed, and as usual, list of exact measurements of ingredients are written below the description box. We're gonna need potatoes, carrots, pickles, pineapple, raisins, macaroni pasta, mayonnaise, cheese, chicken, sugar, pineapple juice, salt, pepper, and our secret recipe, sugar beets or the beet roots. First, boil the chicken, potatoes, sugar beets, and the macaroni pasta. Then, drain the pasta and wash it in cold water. After boiling, shred the chicken, peel and cut the potatoes and beetroots set aside. Now that everything is prepared and cut, we are going to grate the carrots and cheese using our food processor, or you can just dice this to small pieces using a knife. Then we're ready. Get a big bowl, put in the sugar, pickles, pineapple juice, and mayonnaise. Then mix until the sugar has dissolved. Then put salt and pepper, continue mixing, then put the sugar bits. Then this will give the color to our macaroni. And then put the rest of all the ingredients. If you want, you can reserve some carrots and cheese for garnish later. Then toss and mix well. And here is a creamy pink macaroni salad. If you notice, most salad recipes have onions in it. But my variation doesn't have any onions, and I never put onions in my salad. Why? Because I don't like the pungent odor it gives on my salad. And the longer it stays, the sharper the smell and taste. And most children don't want to eat salad with onions. And what makes a delicious macaroni salad is the sweet and sour taste from the pickles and the mayo. If you will try this pink macaroni salad, I'm very sure that you will never ever go back to white macaroni salad. So I hope you enjoyed and find value in today's video. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and check the rest of my videos for simple variations and twists of quality recipes that you can eat, enjoy, and love. For now, let's taste this pink macaroni salad recipe. So, look how pink. It's good. Yummy. This is really perfect for your dinner date this coming Valentine's. The color is beautiful. So good. Sour and sweetness is just right. So, see you around on my next video. Enjoy.